Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Today we will be taking a look at the infrared thermometer gun from Ryobi. I wanted one of these for a while, and then when I saw Ryobi come out with one, I just had to buy it. These come in really handy because you can check the temperature of various things. It can tell you if your transmission is running too hot, if your engine is running too hot, if your transmission cooler is working, if your radiator is working efficiently and effectively. So using this, for example, you can measure the temperature of the coolant on the inlet side of the radiator and then also on the outlet side of the radiator. And that will tell you how efficient your radiator is, or if your radiator might be blocked. I also enjoy cooking barbecues and smoking stuff on smokers. So this can give you the temperature in different parts of the barbecue, or whether your barbecue's at smoking temperature or grilling temperature. So it'll be handy for that. Now it's got a temperature detection range of -50 degrees Celsius up to 550 degrees. And it can also be switched over to degrees Fahrenheit for those living in less advanced countries. It does come with a 2-year warranty, and it also does come with a 9-volt battery. So this runs off just a standard 9-volt battery. I would have really liked to see this run off one of their 4-volt rechargeable batteries. I think that would have been better. If you've got Ryobi batteries around, you've got those batteries around, you could just slip the battery into this to use it, and then take the battery out and use it in something else, rather than having a 9-volt battery. And when I've got devices that got 9-volt batteries or AA or AAA batteries in, I'm always concerned to leave the batteries in there in case they leak and damage the device. So I would have loved to see this run off the lithium batteries Ryobi, but they haven't. And with a skilled user, I believe these can also be used to detect possible termite activities in buildings, in houses, by reading the different temperatures of the walls. Again, I'm no expert in that, and that's not really why I bought it. So let's open it up and have a look, and then we'll go and have a play with it. You get your instruction booklet and you get your actual thermometer gun. It has a digital display on the back and a trigger there to activate it. And this is where your temperature sensors and beams are located. Now the battery lives inside the handle, so you just slide that out, take out your battery, we'll unwrap the battery, and you've got your battery connection there, so you just connect that up, shove your battery back in, and slide your handle back in, and it's job done. Now it's made a noise already, there's no display yet, so I'm assuming now it will work. Now I've just shot it at the wall and it says 26.2 degrees, so I'm not sure if that shows up there. I've just had to have a read of the instruction to determine the error point of this. So for temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius, the accuracy is plus or minus 6 degrees, which is quite inaccurate at the colder temperatures, I feel. However, at temperatures above 0 degrees or greater than 0 degrees, it is plus or minus 2 degrees. If you're measuring something that's 100 degrees, the reading you get could be anywhere between 98 and 102 degrees, which I think is quite acceptable. It is the lower temperatures where you've got the 6-degree error. I mean, it's not saying that you will get a 6-degree error, but that is the accuracy potential. And I'm guessing it's how you take the readings and how well you take the readings and how far away you are when you take the readings. So I would be taking multiple readings anyway, just to get an idea that you get the right temperature reading. And I will be testing this out shortly just to see how repeatable these readings are that we'll get. So let's go out and have a bit of a play with this, and then we'll come back and finish off the video. Let's see how it goes with that. It looks like it's just a bit under 27 degrees. Our fridge is set at 3 degrees, so let's just try this out on the fridge. Oh, have a look at that. 3.1 on the oat milk. Let's check the whipped cream. Whipped cream seems to be a little bit colder. 2.7 because of the metal surface, I suppose. So let's check out the leftover KFC chicken. 3 degrees, 2.9. So let's check the freezer. Let's check the ice cream. -14, -13. Look, it seems to be quite consistent. So if you get a reading on something and then you get multiple readings, the reading seems to be consistent. So it's sort of saying to me that it is quite accurate for what it is. And these aren't necessarily that cheap. I'll put the price up on the screen here, what I paid for it. They're not a very, very cheap instrument. Like, you can buy cheaper on eBay or even other brands that would cost you less than that for a similar product. But I'm not sure how much difference there would be in the accuracy of those. I just found this was quite consistent when I was using it, and I'm pretty happy with it. I think it will do the job that I got it for, and I think I will get some use out of this. And the only thing, as I mentioned earlier, I think I'd prefer it if it was using the 4-volt rechargeable batteries that you can just stick in the back here and then just pull out. I think that would be more convenient in my opinion. Especially at the price point, I think the 4-volt rechargeable lithium would have been a way better option than the non-rechargeable 9-volt batteries, disposable 9-volt batteries, which is really old technology in my opinion. I'm a little bit disappointed on that. Apart from that, I'm pretty happy with it. I'll keep this in my toolbox and I will get some use out of it, I'd say, and it will probably help me to diagnose some problems. Now, if you have any questions about anything you saw in today's video, leave a question down below. I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and you found it interesting or useful at all, do me a favour and give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.